We've been delivering automated products for a long time, using laser technology and hardware based in our customers' warehouses. With this kind of technology, we can do a lot of the work before it goes to the customer, meaning that we can deploy in one single day.
So one of the things we're discussing at the booth here is the possibility to implement automated solutions, more cost efficient on a shorter time, both for us and for the customer.
We can do all of the training and navigation planning within a virtual digital twin of the real environment.
So we upload the digital twin into Azure, and that digital twin or 3D representation becomes the place where we put the pallet drones and we train them in that digital twin.
In the demo we're showing here at Hannover Messe, we're using reinforcement learning.
In this case, we're using AirSim and Bonsai, and we use those tools so the drones move within this 3D environment inside the digital twin, and they can, for example, bump into a column or bump into a shelving. They learn, they reset, and this again is a safe environment for them to learn, and that creates that reinforcement learning, so over time they don't do it again.
This vision system have been trained today to recognize humans and signs, so it can recognize objects in the real life after have been trained in the virtual environment.
If the drone sees a person, it can activate its avoidance, and that avoidance activation then creates a way for it to go around that obstacle or stop. Once the people are out of its way, it can move forward with its task that it's trying to complete. And they share what we call a common brain or a machine learning model, so they understand what truck needs to handle what activities. The drones can optimize themselves, and the system would be very flexible. If there's two priorities that are happening, it can make a decision about what priorities need to happen when and how, and then the drones communicate amongst themselves. And again, it provides that flexibility for a warehousing solution like this.
The benefit of the customer is quick deployment and increased flexibility once installed.